Reinforced concrete inverted T bridge caps, or ITBCs, are widely used in Texas bridges. They provide a way to increase vertical clearance while having a pleasing appearance for people on the road. In cases where two roads are not aligned perpendicularly, ITBCs may be skewed, creating a torsion effect. That could lead to cracking and future costs to repair any damage. The Texas Department of Transportation, working with the University of Houston, ran tests to explore if the skewed arrangement of transverse reinforcements leads to weakening or changing the performance of ITBCs.
Traditional design, the transverse reinforcement is perpendicular to the axis of the bank cap. But we have problems if we have skewed bank cap. How do we design this region?
If we were to skew all the transverse reinforcing or stirrups to match the bridge skew, the designer could detail one bar type and simplify construction and also help maintain a consistent spacing along the length of the cap. TxDOT did not provide any design guidance for this approach, which led us to this research project.
We did our lab test first, perform structure testing to see what's the structural performance. What we found, skewed reinforcing, the structural performance is even better than traditional design. Therefore, TxDOT suggested to do implementation, and then we work on a real bridge.
Finally, we implemented the new design on one of our new bridges. The team installed structural monitoring sensors and conducted a full-scale load test on our new bridge.
Now we proposed a skewed reinforcement that is a simplified design and also make the construction easier. That will make the linear project become cost-effective and time-saving.
By skewing the stirrups along the inverted T cap, if we result in faster construction and we have less chance of having cracking in the caps, the traveling public will be impacted less as we can build the bridge faster and we don't have to go back out there and possibly repair the bridge because of cracks in the future. Long term, the cap is more resilient to cracking under our service loads. This equates to longer lasting bridges, which is a win for everybody.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.